Ukuleles. Today we're going to tune our ukuleles, and this is something we want to do before we play each time. These go out of tune very quickly. So let's start on our top string. I'm going to play that. That's our G. And you're going to adjust this peg closest to you. You're going to turn it one way or the other until it matches mine. Okay. Let's go to the next string, is our C string. Okay, and you're going to turn this peg for that. So the peg furthest away on the top. Now we're going to go to our E. So we're going to reach behind, underneath our ukuleles in the back. Sorry, let me get this in. That's our third string. So you're going to want to match that sound. Now let's go for our high string, our A string, our fourth string. Okay, there you go.